What's going on, everybody? It's Jesse here from ExoShield, and today we're at Jensen's Auto Detailing in Brantford, Ontario. We're going to be doing a GT3 Plus install on this Z06 Corvette behind us, and there are a couple of special steps that make this install a lot easier than if you just kind of go at it. So I'm going to take you through some of those additional pieces of the install, and we'll make sure that you guys can knock out these Z06 installs without any issues. So one of the keys to a really clean install on these C8 Z06 especially here is taking off the side A-pillars. So those two pieces of body paneling that are beside the windshield here. And what that does is it gives you really clean access to the edge of the windshield there with no obstructions. So you're able to get a fully covered windshield from left to right, no problem, as soon as you pull these off. And it's honestly as easy as just a few torque screws. I believe they're T15s. So yeah, I'll show you actually how we put these back on, because obviously we already have them removed. Those guys got right into the install, but it is just a few torque screws here. I'll pull in. Yep.
sits inside like so. And there's 6 screws along the weather stripping and 1 screw on top.
Okay, so we got 6 T15 Torx screws here on the underside of the A-pillar, underneath the weather stripping.
And the last screw up in there.
Cool.